talking about the ADHD and your skill that your deeper self is preserved in not engaging with contemporary society. Really, what part of contemporary society should we be paying attention to? And my answer is none of it. So there's a part of us, our instinct for survival depends on our thought process and what we take in. So our instinct before all that tells us sometimes not to entertain things, not to entertain bullshit. That's like a core fundamental. Our instincts telling us not to entertain bullshit. So contemporary society and psychology wants to use these labels and says, oh, well, attention deficit disorder. Well, yeah, because there's nothing in contemporary society that is sustainable, that our true essence wants to be engaged with. So the reflection of that is people not engaging with society. Like their brain, your core essence in your brain, and they're saying your brain, but that's a physical organ. That's connected to our mental, emotion, spirit, our whole being and everything. And I think that there's a part of that that's just doesn't want to engage with contemporary society. And on just a regular level, I think that most people feel like that. Most people tangibly feel that they don't want to engage in contemporary society. So if this feeling's been going on for a while, and the reason's because contemporary society isn't sustainable, killing its environment, not facilitating conversations about wellness, all these kind of things. So what I was saying is that I think that there's a part of everybody that is holding off from engaging in contemporary society, and there's wellness there. So the part of you that is giving you a challenge in, like you said, you had to set 4 alarms and you're trying to make appointments and trying to follow this basically contemporary construct of life. I mean, it makes sense that there's going to be a large percentage of people that just are core essence isn't down with that, and it's really not engageable on a lot of levels. It's based on delusions. It's based on some people's delusion that we can have a society that doesn't recognize the basic principles of life and sustainability and natural abundance, natural scarcity, ebb and flow, and that kind of thing.